Hello everyone and welcome to this Make.com review. Is this the best Zapier alternative for automation? Well, are you tired of tedious repetitive tasks eating up your valuable time? Well, Make.com emerges as a powerful no-code automation platform, positioning itself as a strong contender to Zapier. It empowers you to visually design, build, and automate workflows, connecting various apps and services to streamline your processes and boost productivity. Well, let's delve into what makes Make.com tick. Before we do that, we have the link to Make.com in the description so you can get a head start. We'll be talking about the features, the pricing, the pros and the cons. And so let's start with the features. You have a visual workflow builder. This is an intuitive drag and drop interface that lets you create complex automations without writing a single line of code. It's like building your Legos, but for digital life. Then you have extensive integrations where you can connect to Google Workspace, social media platforms, and other applications with popular tools. Then you have the custom logic and control, where you get to go beyond the simple if this, then that scenarios. Make.com allows you to implement intricate logic, manipulate data, and handle errors effectively. Then you have real-time execution monitoring, where you get to keep a close eye on your automations as they run, ensuring everything is working smoothly and troubleshooting any issues that arise. With a template and pre-built solutions, you can jumpstart your automation journey with a library of ready-made templates for common use cases. Then you have collaboration tools where you get to work seamlessly with your team on automation projects, sharing scenarios, and managing access permissions. Now, when it comes to the pricing, Make.com offers a range of plans to suit different needs and budgets. You have the free plan where you get to have about 1,000 operations per month and 2 active scenarios. This is great for exploring the platform's capabilities and automating simple tasks. Then you have the core. It's starting at about $9 per month. This plan gives you 10,000 operations, unlimited active scenarios, and access to the Make.com API. This is great for freelancers, solopreneurs, and small businesses automating basic workflows. The Pro plan comes at $16 per month, and you get 10,000 operations with added flexibility, priority execution, custom variables, and full text execution log search. If you're a team, the team plan at $29 per month comes with 10,000 operations, and it includes the team management features, shared templates, and priority execution, making it suitable for mid-sized teams. And if you're bigger than that, you'll go with the enterprise. And this is tailored to your specific needs. It has dedicated support and advanced security options. You'll need to contact customer service in order to get your quote. So here's our recommendation. If you're serious about automating your workflows and saving time, the Pro plan offers a fantastic balance of features and affordability. Imagine the possibilities with priority execution and custom variables at your fingertips. And now the pros and cons. Starting with the pros. Make.com has a user-friendly interface, powerful flexible automation capabilities, wide range of integrations, competitive pricing compared to alternatives like Zapier, and robust features even in lower tier plans. On the flip side, with the cons, the operation-based pricing model can be complex to understand initially. Then overages can lead to unexpected costs if you exceed your plan's limits. And the sheer number of features can be overwhelming for beginners. In conclusion, Make.com is a robust and versatile automation platform that empowers you to streamline your workflows, save time, and boost productivity. Its visual interface, extensive integrations, and flexible pricing can make it a compelling alternative to Zapier. While the operation-based pricing might require some initial learning, the platform's power and potentials are undeniable. So, are you ready to unlock the power of automation? Well, click the link in the description below to explore Make.com's plans, sign up for the Pro plan, and start automating your task and reclaim your time. If you found this helpful, do let us know in the comment section below, and thanks for watching.